Hey guys, today I'm going to make some salsa ground beef. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use 93% lean, 7% fat, grass-fed ground beef for this because it's lean enough that you really don't have to drain the fat off of it, so it works well. And this is frozen solid. I just pulled it out of the freezer, so just running a little warm water over it to help me get it out of the package a little easier. So I'm just going to put it right in the slow cooker, just solid, frozen solid like this, and let it cook. And then when it's done cooking, I will break it up into pieces and just season it with some salt, Johnny's seasoned pepper, and then I'm going to dump some salsa in it. You could also use taco seasoning if you'd rather, but I like the Johnny's seasoned pepper. Alright, now get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high until it looks cooked, and then we'll season it up. It's been about 2 hours, so I should be able to break this up now. This wooden spoon works good for this. Might be just a little bit pink on the inside, but not bad. It'll keep cooking for few more minutes after I season it up here. Breaking this up is the hardest part, and I'm going to season it with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. Just kind of do this to taste. This is looking good. I tasted it a couple of times and it's seasoned about the way I like it, the way I want it. Then the meat kind of soaked up the juice that was in the bottom of the pot there. I'm going to pour in a little bit of salsa. So we'll say maybe, I don't know, just kind of eyeball it here. Maybe, I don't know, cup, 3/4 of a cup or so. Just kind of eyeball it and mix it up and do it the way you like. Now I'll get that mixed in. This will make some great tacos or burritos or nachos or whatever you want. I don't have too much in the way of fixings here, but I have some flour tortillas and some Mexican style cheese I put on there. Salsa's already in the meat, so I'll just kind of fold this into a little burrito here. Fold there, little fold on the side, then bring it across like that, and just like that. I found that way of burrito folding on the internet, and it works really well. Alright, let's try that out. That's really good. I think that's actually my favorite way that I've made taco meat. I'll give Annie the little end piece of my burrito here. Boy, I don't think she even chewed that. That worked out really well. Putting the salsa in the meat like that gives it a lot of flavor. I think that's my new favorite way to make taco meat. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.